Hi students, you all are welcome to the class of numerical skill. In the last class, we discussed about matrices. Matrix, its meaning and definition, then types of matrices, then transpose of a matrix. Topic for today is matrix operations or operations of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. So first we are moving to addition of matrices. Let us check addition of matrices. How to add two matrices. If A and B are two matrices, then their sum A plus B is the matrix of the same order obtained by adding the corresponding elements. One condition is that both the matrices A and B must be in the same order. For example, if we are adding the matrices A and B, both the matrices A and B should be given in the same order. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 5, 6, 7, then matrix B is equal to 3, 2, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 8, 7. First here we need to check whether both the matrices are given in the same order. Here matrix A is in the order of 3 rows and 3 columns. So just like matrix B also the same order 3. We also have 3 rows and 3 columns. So here it is possible to find the sum of A and B. Here A plus B is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. So let us check how to here. By adding the corresponding elements. So here in case of matrix A, the first element, the first row and the first column, 1, and the first element of the B is 3. So take the sum of 1 plus 3. So this is the corresponding elements, both keeping in the same position of A and B. Then just like the second one, 2. It is in the position of first row and the second column. So the same position in the B, it is also 2. First row and the second column. So 2 plus 2. Then third one, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Then in the second row of the first column. Here in B also second row and first column. So 4 plus 2. It is 6. Then just like 9 plus 4. Then 8 plus 6. Then again the third row of the first column of matrix A it is 5. Then the same position in the B it is 3. So 5 plus 3. Then 6 plus 8. Then 7 plus 7. Then take the sum of the elements. First row 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So just like 6, 13, 14 and 8, 14, 14. So let us check some other examples. Addition of matrices. Here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we need to check the order of the matrix. It is 2 and 4 or 2 into 4 matrix. 2 rows and 4 columns. Then B is equal to 4, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 3. So here also the same order because it is 2 rows and 4 columns. So both the given matrices are in the same order. So it is possible to take the sum of A plus B. So A plus B is equal to, as we explained in the earlier session, it is obtained by adding the elements of the corresponding items or corresponding positions. So corresponding elements should be added. So 1 plus 4, that it is 1 plus 4. Then the second item 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 and 4 plus 1. Then in the second row, the first item in the second row is 5 in case of A. and the first item in the second row of B is 0. So 5 plus 0. So like that 6 plus 1, then 7 plus minus 1, then 8 plus 3. So find the sum. A plus B is equal to 5, 3, 5, 5, then 5, 7, 6, 11. So this is the way to add two matrices. So this is what is about addition of two matrices. The only one condition is that the given matrices A and B must be in the same order. Then only we can find the sum. Otherwise, it is not possible. So all these are about addition. By in the next class, we will discuss about subtraction of the matrices. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.